looking for when it comes to this new variant, as well as any other new variant, are three things. One is it more transmissible? Which means that if it's more transmissible, it could displace all the existing variants and then really take over, as we saw with the Delta variant. The second is it more virulent? Does it cause more severe disease? That is something we do not know at this point. And the third question, very importantly, is does this new variant evade the protection of existing vaccines? Now, there are some concerning signs that it could because of the large number of mutations that it contains, but we do not know this at this point, and this is why it's so important for us to conduct the studies that will help us to get to that point of understanding, will our existing vaccines work on this new variant?
Doctor, given what we do know already, and of course that is going to be the major question, how they respond to the vaccines, but given what we do know in terms of all these mutations, in terms of this early signs of perhaps them about their transmissibility,
these spooks did it.
What concerns you the most
part of the
in
problem.
these early hours?
Well, it's the combination of these two things, because if it in fact is a lot more transmissible, it could displace the really contagious Delta variant. And
get back under your bed, curl up in a ball, in your fucking studio apartment.
Then we may need to start over with our vaccination campaign, which is something that no one wants to consider. I will just say, as someone who has lived and worked in South Africa, that we really should be thanking the South African scientists and authorities for coming out so quickly and so transparently with this information.
The
because it allows the
vaccinated
rest
looks
of the world
like
to
it
prepare.
came from them.
And while I do understand the travel
I
bans
heard the
and the reason why
professionals
countries
talk
are
about
taking
it.
proactive steps, I can also understand
Not
the
these talking heads.
perspective of people in South Africa who are saying, why are we being punished for being transparent with this information
And they
when
think
so many other countries haven't
the
done
unvaxxed
the
will
work
probably
necessary
be
to even find out if they have
okay
new variants of
protected,
concern.
just like
Yeah, as you mentioned, there are a number of countries that
body
have started
should
already
work
imposing
as
travel
God made
bans.
it.
The U.S. is not one of them, not just on South Africa, but around countries in southern Africa, around South Africa. Dr. Anthony Fauci was actually asked about this morning
God,
on
I can't
CNN,
take it
about whether the U.S. should follow suit, follow those other countries that have already done that. Here's what he said. Take a listen.
oh boy, here's this spook.
Obviously, as soon as we find out more information, we'll make a decision as quickly as we possibly can.
Sure
always
you
put
will.
these things on the table, but you don't want to say you're going to do it until you have some scientific reason to do it. That's the reason why we're rushing now to get that scientific data to try and make an informed decision about something like that.